also, I think Indy's water bag broke and she is cleaning it up like a really good girl. But some kind of fluid came out. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, you're doing good, baby girl. Yeah, that was a bunch of warm liquid over here. Oh yeah, more liquid's coming out, Miles. Oh, she's having them. Look at. Yeah, I think she is. Yep, there's. Oh, it's happening. You're being such a good mama. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay, baby girl. You're doing so good. You're doing so good. Look at, she really likes, wants to clean it up. She's doing so good. So basically what's been happening all night is she has been nesting, restless, panting, then sleeping, panting, then sleeping. Yeah. Are you pushing? Yeah, you're doing good, baby girl. That's a good baby girl. Oh yeah, let's see what she does. Nesting.